Hi, today I'm going to give you a walk around of a 2019 Sprinter 144 wheelbase passenger van, and you can see there's a additional rear air conditioning in the back, and standard grille, not chrome. Steel wheels. Let's take a look at the inside. So the door trim is upgraded from the older model, and this is the mirror and the door assist. And this is the leatherette version of the upholstery. And let's climb on inside. So this is the version that has no steering wheel control at all. And if you wonder how to access the onboard computer, there's 4 knobs over here. They help you navigate all the menus in there, which is tolerable. And standard radio with 2 DIN, and one on the top is the factory radio, and you have an empty one over there. And air conditioning controls, and you have extra USB-C connectors and extra power supplies over there. As you can see. And you have storage areas on the top. No cover, not for this version. And extra compartments. And another storage area. This does not open, not for this version. And there's no storage space over there. And if you wonder other storage compartments, there's more on the top, and there's a lockable one over here that you can reach in. And light controls, and
Best call I could have made.
At the Barnes firm, we've handled thousands of accident cases.
let's turn on the engine. And if you switch to reverse, and the backup camera is at the rear view mirror. Put it back in park. And the interior, this is a passenger van, so it has 3 rows of seats in the back, and this is an upgrade rear seat bench with the adjustable backrest. And I can show you the angle that is being adjusted. The back seat over there, that one is in the most upright position, and this is the most, these two is the most lean back positions. So that's the degree of adjustment that you can have, which is plenty for road traveling, family road trips. And the second row seats also adjustable, as you can see. And then the 4-seaters in the back. And this one's not adjustable. And I also take the headrest off so I can see the back a little bit better when I have no one sitting in the back. Okay. And this is the air conditioning units in the back. And each row of the seats have USB chargers and phone holders. Same over there. And the back seats, it has it over here. And they have a little bit of cup holder capability. Not very easy to use, but there's 4 of them. Not on the back seat. And armrest. And let's go open the back door. It's the cargo area, and of course all the seats can be taken off. And there's a new latch system since 2019, supposed to make it easier to remove. And the mechanism is a little different from the previous model as well. And the layout, the brackets on the floors is a little different. And you have tight downs all over for cargo. And just look at the van from the back. Alright, so this is the 2019 Sprinter passenger van, 144 wheelbase. See you next time.